If you are thinking about using InVideo AI, one of the smartest things you can do before spending money is understand both the pros and the cons first. Because honestly, a lot of videos online either make this tool sound like magic or they make it sound completely terrible. And the truth is, honestly, somewhere in the middle. InVideo AI is an extremely powerful AI video creation tool, but it also has limitations that people absolutely should know before paying for a subscription. So in this video, I am going to give you a balanced, beginner-friendly breakdown of the biggest pros and cons of InVideo AI, so you can decide whether it is actually right for you. We are going to cover what it does well, where it struggles, the pricing situation, the credit system, who it is best for, and whether it is worth using in 2026. And if you want the exact setup, bonuses, and resources I personally recommend for ranking and monetizing AI videos online, I linked everything in the description below so you can follow along step by step. So let's start with the pros first, because InVideo AI definitely does some things extremely well. The first major advantage is speed. This is probably the biggest reason creators are using tools like this right now. Instead of spending hours manually editing videos, InVideo AI lets you generate entire videos from prompts. You type what you want. The platform generates the script, the visuals, the subtitles, the voiceover, the music, and the editing automatically. And honestly, for beginners, that feels kind of insane the first time you use it, especially if you have never used professional editing software before. Another major advantage is simplicity. You do not need advanced editing skills. You do not need expensive equipment, and you do not need a full production team. Everything happens inside one dashboard, which is why so many beginners and faceless YouTube creators are attracted to it right now. Another thing I genuinely like about InVideo AI is the workflows. This feature gives you pre-built structures for things like YouTube explainers, short-form content, ads, faceless videos, business videos, motivational videos, and social media content. And honestly, this saves a massive amount of time because you are not starting from scratch every single time. Now, another huge advantage is automation. Normally, creating videos requires a script writer, a voiceover tool, a subtitle editor, a stock footage subscription, a video editor, and sometimes even freelancers. But InVideo AI combines all of that together. And according to many creators, this is one of the biggest reasons they use it consistently. Another pro is that it works very well for faceless YouTube content. This is probably one of the biggest use cases right now. You can create educational videos, affiliate marketing content, motivational videos, explainers, business content, and social videos without filming yourself. And for creators uncomfortable on camera, that is a massive advantage. Now, another thing people seem to really love is voice cloning. You can actually upload your own voice and have the AI narrate videos using a cloned version of your voice. That is extremely useful for branding and consistency. Now, let's talk about another major pro: time savings. Compared to traditional editing workflows, InVideo AI can dramatically reduce production time. One creator in the research mentioned creating videos in under 20 minutes using prompts and workflows instead of manual editing. And honestly, that is where this tool shines: speed and efficiency. But now, let's move into the cons, because this is the part many videos avoid. The biggest issue people talk about is credits. And honestly, this is probably the #1 complaint. InVideo AI uses a credit-based system, and premium AI generations can burn through credits much faster than beginners expect, especially for longer videos or premium AI generation. Some users in the research even mentioned spending large amounts on plans and still running out of credits quickly. That is why I always recommend beginners start small first. Learn prompting, test shorter videos, understand how many credits you realistically use, then scale later. Another downside is that AI generations are not always perfect. And honestly, this is normal with AI right now. Sometimes visuals do not match the script. Sometimes subtitles contain mistakes. Sometimes scenes feel repetitive. And sometimes prompts need multiple retries before you get good results. Several users in the research specifically complained about visuals not matching scripts properly and scenes feeling random. So if you expect perfect one-click Hollywood-level videos, you are probably going to be disappointed. Another issue is editing control. While text-based editing is convenient, it can also become frustrating for advanced creators because sometimes you just want precise manual control over scenes, timing, or transitions. And traditional editors like Premiere Pro still give you much more creative flexibility. Another con is rendering speed. Some users report slower generation during busy periods, especially with larger AI generations. And depending on your internet connection, that can sometimes slow down workflows. Now let's quickly talk about pricing, because this is another area people debate heavily. At the time of recording this video, InVideo AI has 4 main pricing plans. The Plus plan starts at around $20 monthly. The Max plan is around $100 monthly. The Generative plan is around $200 monthly. And the Elite plan is around $1,000 monthly. Annual billing reduces those prices slightly. Now, the entry pricing honestly does not sound too bad initially, but the important thing to understand is that heavy AI generation can become expensive quickly because premium features use credits faster. That is why many users recommend starting with smaller plans first before scaling up. Now, despite the negatives, I still think InVideo AI is genuinely useful for the right person, especially if your priorities are speed, content volume, automation, faceless content, affiliate marketing, or faster production workflows. Because compared to hiring editors, voice actors, and production teams, this tool can still save a massive amount of time and money. Now, if you decide to sign up through my link below, I am also giving away my full 12K bonus package completely free. This bonus package is designed to help you actually grow and monetize the videos you create with InVideo AI. Inside, you are going to get access to the 24-hour ranking system, which shows you how to rank videos on YouTube and Google faster. You are also getting List Prodigy, which teaches you how to build an email list using AI. Then you get AI Content Mastery, where you learn how to create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, guides, and mini courses. You are also getting over 90 Make Money online courses covering SEO, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and video marketing. And on top of that, I am including a 10-day InVideo AI training course that walks you through setup, workflows, prompting, and content creation step by step. The training gets delivered daily through email, so make sure you check your inbox and spam folder after signing up. So overall, what are the biggest pros and cons of InVideo AI? The biggest pros are speed, automation, beginner friendliness, faceless content creation, and simplified video production. The biggest cons are credit usage, occasional inaccurate AI generations, limited fine editing control, and pricing scaling with heavy usage. So if your goal is faster content production and easier workflows, InVideo AI can absolutely be worth testing. But if you want complete cinematic control and flawless AI generations every time, traditional editing tools will still be better. So if you want to test InVideo AI yourself and grab the full 12K bonus package, check out the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure you watch the next video, because I am going to show you how to create higher quality AI videos using InVideo AI step by step.